Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see how we're going to make our Amazfit GTS GTR. What I mean by this? Well, as you very well know, one of the highlights that GTS have is the watch face that has that by pressing a part of this watch face activates the menu that comes behind it. So by pressing here the weather, we see the weather, right? By pressing the steps, we see the steps. By pressing the heartbeat, we see the heartbeat. This highlight was one of the things that many users made it to be chosen by them, as they really liked it. It's really helpful. You don't have to enter the menu, search for it, for the options, to see the details, and so on. Unfortunately, this feature was missing from Amazfit GTR. This is something very well known. If you see all my presentations, either mine or all the presentations that appear on the internet, you will see that this feature is not there at Amazfit GTR. A really very nice smartwatch with a very good battery, very handsome design, but without that feature, or exists. As you can see, our GTR became GTS. Miracle. Well, to be exact, it's not a miracle. It's a group that they are making watch faces for GTR have managed to import the watch face of the GTS to the GTR. The app through which is done this work, you can find it at Play Store, is GTR IT. It's is this one, GTR IT. Don't see beta, it's beta user just entered, but this is no difference. So you download the application, you install it. Link of it you will find in my description at the video. And after you download it, you run it, and you have the ability of finding a lot of watch faces for your Amazfit GTR, 47mm, 42mm, Italian, English, Spanish. The problem is that today, from this morning, for some strange reason, all watch faces are gone from the app. I'm going to give the watch face that you see here that makes your GTR GTS in my review. I have made a backup of it, but I believe the app must have some technical issues at the moment, and it cannot show the watch faces. Although it has a really big collection of very beautiful watch faces to find, choose, download, and install. The whole procedure, unfortunately, I cannot show it to you now, but I'm going to tell you how it's done. So you search here, you find the watch face that you like, you press on it, you download it, and after that you use Amazfit. You don't need Notify and Fitness for this job. You just need Amazfit. So after you have downloaded the watch face, you go to the Amazfit. As I told you, you do not need the Notify Fitness that in other cases you need it in order to install the watch face to your GTR. And what it does is when you download the watch face, it shows you at which watch face already installed in the app is linked to. So all you do is go to the Amazfit here, you go to the watch faces, you go to the watch face that the app showed you. For this, it was this one at me. You press here synchronization of the watch face. It transfers the watch face of the app that is linked to this watch face in the app, in the Amazfit, to your watch face, and now you have a GTR that works like GTS. Wonderful. It's really, this 148 bips, it's wrong. Something must have measured wrongly at the moment. It's a really beautiful watch face, I have to say, and as I told you, it has other beautiful watch faces, so I hope the problem, the technical issue of the app to be solved quickly. Nevertheless, till the issue is solved, I'm going to have a copy of the watch face that I have already installed in my Amazfit GTR 47mm as a file to download it and install it with Notify this time. And if you don't know, you can use Notify and Fitness. So this is the watch face that I have installed in my Amazfit GTR. You press here, watch faces, and you see it. If you press on it, you see the watch face that is installed here. And by pressing here the share button, you can keep a copy of the watch face already installed in your Amazfit GTR and send it either at email, plus Skype, Google Drive, Viper, WhatsApp, File Manager, and many other options. So you do not lose the watch face that you have already installed. This is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Bye.